Hi loves, welcome back again. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Glenn, and if you are a returning subscribers, I am glad to see you back. So for today's video, it's gonna be another unboxing, and finally I got my hands on these. So this is another Doc Martens, and you may ask, you already got one, why are you buying another one? So I am actually selling my old one, not even old, like it's most likely I just use it a couple times. It's not like overly used, so I'm actually selling my old ones, and I'm also gonna compare the ones that I got, which is the Jadon boots, and yeah, this is in black as well. So I ordered this directly to Dr. Martens website. I did order last January, which is from the website Free People, and it's a back order, and it just keeps going, it just keeps delayed. And I did turn on my notification if this one, my size, because they do have the always have the size 5 and 6, but they don't have my size, which is US woman 8. And I just turned on my notification, and I just canceled the one that I got from Free People. This is the box looks like, and I haven't looked at her, and I'm just gonna, oh my goodness. Okay, so that's what it looks like. She's a little bit more heavier than the other one, but I'm gonna get this. All right, so we have, oh my god, guys, look. I mean, it's the same, my reaction is the same one as the first one, but now seeing my friend, okay, so the thing is, my friend Ashley, again, my friend Ashley made me buy these. Actually, she's the one who made me buy the first one, but I didn't listen to her. She told me that I should have just gone with the Jadon boots, which is this one. But at first I was scared because I don't rock this type of like heel platform boots, and when I asked her if I can borrow her boots one time because we were doing like pictures, I'm gonna insert the photo here, and I fell in love with it. Like, I fell in love, and it's the most comfortable, maybe because she's been wearing it all the time, but it's the most comfortable boots ever. And hopefully I don't, this one, the first one, it didn't give me like a blisters. I was shocked, but yes, hopefully this one was not gonna give me any blisters. But yeah, she's leather, yeah, she's leather, and this is, like I said, the size 8 US 8, and yeah, this is the back looks like, and of course the, you know, stitching, like the yellow stitching, and this one has like a little zipper on the side. The other one doesn't have a zipper at all. So the first one I got is, okay, let me just compare it side by side. This is the regular 1460 W smooth, I believe, and this is the Jadon boots compared to each other. Hold on, so that's the comparison in each side as well. This is a little bit more shinier than this one. It's a little matte. This one is a little matte. I got this at the website Journeys. I ordered this online as well. So same size as US 8, which is absolutely comfortable as well. But I'm selling these, and if you are interested, I also posted it on my Facebook marketplace and also on Instagram. And if you want, let me know, DM me on my Instagram or message me here in the comment section below. Okay, so this is what they look like side by side. They're really thick and they're heavy. I just need to get used to like walking them, because when I borrowed my friend's boots, it was just for pictures and a couple of walks. It was not meant, like I wasn't like really like wearing them all day, and I also have to break them in as well. And like I said, this is more a little bit like shinier than the ones that I got. So this is the back look like, and I just can't wait. So let me try them on. Let me just grab some socks and just try them on, just to see if, you know, it fits me. But yes, I'm also gonna keep this, because just to, when I'm not using it, it's nice to have this stuff around. Okay, so let me just grab some socks, guys, so I can show you what it looks like on my feet.
I just wanna know now, Try and get no, cry and get no. Hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that nah? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I
Okay, so I know I didn't tie the shoelace all the way up, but I like to leave a little bit of room. So I don't like putting all the shoelace all the way up. I just kind of like leave it like at least one hole. And I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to rock this shoes, you guys. And I don't know, I'm like in love with it, and I'm glad that I got these. And I'm also, like I said, if you guys are interested on the other one, my other Doc Martens boots, let me know if you want them, because I can sell it to you guys. And like I said, I did already put them on the Facebook Marketplace and also on my Instagram. So I'm just gonna put like the highlight, like the for sale highlight on my Instagram if you guys want to see. And you know, DM me if you guys are interested, because I can send more close-up pictures of the boots. But yeah, overall I love this, and I can't wait, like I said, I cannot wait to you know, rock these boots and just like, you know, do like a little OOTD. And like I said, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, might as well follow me on Instagram, because your girl is thriving and I am, you know, trying to post more pictures and also more content on Instagram, and also pushing reels as well. So I'm like posting a YouTube video and also posting these unboxing on my reel, which is the Zara, and also this one. So I'm gonna post that on my reels as well. So anyways, like this video if you haven't already, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.